Carpentry is one of the most in-demand trades in New Zealand. It's an industry that involves both bringing people's home dreams to life, as well as working on landmark commercial projects. A carpentry apprenticeship takes around 4 years, and the BCITO qualification is the industry standard. To get one going, you'll need the support of a builder who's willing to take you on. There's a lot to learn in carpentry. It's way more than being a hammer hand, and you'll continue learning beyond your apprenticeship. Carpentry provides great monetary rewards, an awesome lifestyle, and often the opportunity to work with mates in a team environment. Skills to have include being a good listener, following instructions, some maths and English skills, and most importantly, being a team player. Your career can progress from apprentice to foreman to supervisor to project manager and ultimately being your own boss, running your own crew. You can start an apprenticeship straight out of school, and BCITO will act as a mentor, helping guide you through the process. There's always something to do in carpentry, and it's never boring. It's a career that can take you anywhere in New Zealand and the world. Check if you're eligible. Getting qualified could be fees-free.